Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Cesar, and this is an update about the launch jacking methodology. And basically, I have been recording a lot of videos about this launch. You can see in the screen the Christmas loci cycle. The front end price is $3,495 and the commission is 50%. So we're going to click here, guys, and I want to show you what am I doing to promote this product that is going to launch on October 12th. So we are ready for these dates. You can see October 12th pre-launch starts, October 26th card opens, and the card closes on November 4th. So if you want to promote, you need to go down here and you need to click here, get your loci cycle links now, and you need to put all your information here, your first name, last name, email address, website, Skype ID or Facebook profile, your affiliate, your Clip-on affiliate ID, and what is your primary method for driving traffic. And also you need to read the terms and conditions. So I'm going to show you my article because you can see on the screen this is my website, businessesvalley.com, and we're going to click here, and this is the review about the loci cycle. You can see I have here all the information, and I have been working very hard to rank this article in the first page of Google. And for example, I have here this form to collect leads, and also this is a good strategy that you can use. I have here a link that when people go to this article and click here, they are going to go to this landing page. Join the 90-day challenge to make money in crypto without buying coins. So when people put here their information, I can collect leads or emails with this technique. So I have another one here, and let me see, I have here other one. So I'm going to go to Google Incognito window, and I'm going to put my key phrase, my keyword, loci cycle review. And as you can see, guys, I'm ranking in the first spot of Google. So we're going to see, guys, and I'm going to give you an update about the sales about this program because the launch is very soon. So if you need a platform to build a website, I'm using the Wealthy Affiliate platform. This is a good software to build your website. So that's it. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.